Good morning, children. Today we are starting the assignment based video of class 8. This is from the chapter Reaching the Age of Adolescence, and this video is to be sent for the third week of November. And what are the questions we are going to discuss that I have written here on the board? And you can see the first question is regarding the endocrine glands. We all know endocrine glands are ductless glands, which secrete their fluid called hormones directly into the blood. Hence, the endocrine glands are called ductless glands. Ductless glands endocrine glands produces large number of hormones in our body. Let's discuss now some of these hormones. Adrenal glands secrete a hormone called adrenaline. What hormone adrenal glands secrete? Adrenaline. And what is the role of adrenaline? Yes, adrenaline prepare our body to fight or run away during emergency situations. During emergency situation, adrenaline helps us to fight or run away during emergency situation. Hence, adrenaline is also called emergency hormone. You got this idea? So, which hormone is called emergency hormone? Adrenaline. Why do we call adrenaline emergency hormone? Because adrenaline helps our body to fight or run away during any emergency situations. You got it? Very clear. Now, we are coming to the second gland, endocrine gland, is pancreas. You know, pancreas is connected to the small intestine, the entry of the small intestine called duodenum. This pancreas has two functions. They produces hormones as well as enzymes. The enzymes helps in the digestion of food. At the same time, hormones helps in various functions such as, for example, insulin. Insulin is a hormone produced by pancreas. This insulin helps in the regulation, control. Regulation means control. What do you mean by regulation? Regulation means control. Insulin controls or regulates what? Sugar in the blood, sugar, sugar in the blood. You know, if insulin is produced in sufficient quantity, the sugar level in the blood will increase, and this results in a condition called diabetes. The people develop diabetics problems because of the shortage or lack of insulin. Insulin is not being used properly in the blood. So, the pancreas secrete a hormone called insulin which control the blood sugar level. Clear? Everybody is clear? Yes. Now we are coming to the next question. Thyroxine. Which gland secrete thyroxine? Thyroid gland, which is located on the neck. Thyroid gland is located on the neck, and the hormone which produces is called thyroxine. It's very, very important for the growth and development of our body. Growth and development. So, growth and development of our body is very, very important, biological process. So, what is the function of thyroxine? Thyroxine regulates growth and development of our body. If the children of small age do not produce this thyroxine in small quantity or in required quantity, their body growth will be retarded. The height of the body and also the mental growth will be affected. So this is a very serious situation. So we have to make sure that thyroxine is produced in sufficient quantity. For that, we have to use iodized salt. Iodine-rich food. Iodine is a mineral that is important for the formation of thyroxine. So, which mineral is required for the production of thyroxine from thyroid gland? Yes, it is iodine. So, iodine helps in the formation of thyroxine. So, we must take iodized salt And seafood like fishes, seafood contain iodine. So keep in mind these points. Yes. Now, the fourth question, we have a reproductive organ. The male reproductive organ, we can say testis and penis. Testis is called the primary sex organ. Why? Because testis produce sperms. And also a hormone called testosterone. The testis produces a hormone called testosterone. This is a very important hormone that develops sexual characteristics in males. So the testis produces a hormone, what? Testosterone. Clear? At the same time, ovary in females produce hormone called estrogen. Oestrogen. These two hormones, estrogen and testosterone, helps in the development of our sex organs and sexual characteristics. So this is very, very important part. Thank you.